Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we are covering VisionWave Holdings, ticker VWAV, a cutting edge defense technology company revolutionizing capabilities through AI driven autonomous systems, advanced sensing, and drone solutions across air, ground, and maritime domains. Fresh news today, December 23rd. VisionWave announced the issuance of a new U.S. patent for real time RF based movement detection, imaging, and AI analytics, expanding its Apollo family and strengthening IP in vital sign monitoring and threat detection. The market is responding big. Shares jumped nearly 10% intraday to around $9.78 on solid volume, building on last week's completion of the solar drone acquisition, adding high altitude pseudo satellite tech for persistent surveillance. With a debt free balance sheet, year to date gains over 270%, and focused on commercialization, VWAV is gaining serious traction in the booming defense AI sector. Is this patent fueling more upside? Share your thoughts below. Buy the surge, hold, or watch. Like for more defense tech alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Go out there and make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.